Meaning of freeborn.
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 Freeborn. Freeborn is an adjective used to describe someone who was born free or not subject to any form of slavery or bondage. The term is often associated with political freedom and individual liberty, and is commonly used to signify a person's status as a citizen or member of a free society. In a broader sense, freeborn can also refer to someone who is naturally independent, open-minded, and self-governing. Ultimately, being freeborn implies a sense of dignity and self-respect that comes from being able to live according to one's own choices and values.